Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
In our last video, it was brought to our attention that we did not show the finished product of the marker lights. So, here's the finished.
Yeah. We're in Loveland, Colorado now, and I finally found some inline resistors to do it right instead of the little bulbs because the one burned out. And so now I got them done. I'll put the marker lights on, which will be all of them, and then I'll put the four ways on, and you'll see that which one's flashed.
All right. Here we go. There we go. I think there, you can see that better. Yeah, will be very visible. Yeah, that looks really nice.
Yeah, without the resistors, you could barely see the difference in lights, and now you can see that they're flashing good. So
cool.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you have the finished results of the marker light install. Now on to the truck step install.
I ordered for the truck. See, this is so high to get up into, I can't. So I got a step that comes down off of the bottom. So ordered it with Amazon's favorite customer, and we'll see how this works. It's supposed to get to 81 today and then 90 tomorrow. Right now it's 50, 54, 55. Beautiful day. Supposed to get windy too. Son and daughter-in-law and grandson here at Fort Sill. They let me order it and have it sent to their place, so we're going to be here for probably a week. And then I don't want to stay too long because May is hurricane or tornado season here. So we'll put you together. This comes off the back, and then it drops down so I can step on it. It's a big bolt. Oh, I gotta get my back. Okay, back to the project. Looks like oops, upside down. Looks like it mounts underneath. We'll take a look, see what we got. Looks like I have to take a couple bumper bolts out. And then mount the step up there, use a little bracket. We'll see how it goes. See what it looks like. Check from here. I don't know if what you can see there. Looks like it mounts right up here. Well, there the mounts. Bolts are right here. Okay, there's a little wiring harness clip. Step goes right there. Nice. Okay, that'll work out good. I think I might move this out of the way a little two bolts got to come off of here. All right. Yeah, let's see where that other bracket goes. It's a rare occasion I'm reading instructions. Oh, okay. It's like this goes here. Oh, okay, that's one of the big bolts there. Okay, so that goes there, that goes there. All right. Let's see if we can get this done. I'll pause you for a minute. I'm going to show you why I'm doing this step. I don't know if you can see. Right here, there's a dent. And right here, the sheet metal is so light on these. What I'm doing is while I'm fueling up, I don't know if I can get the right angle, you can see it. I'm fueling up, I have a fuel hose set up here. And when I reach over, I step on the tire. And I think what I'm doing is leaning my knee up against to get up in there. So this way, I put that step on there. I get up over the back because it's up to my belly. So this will help me, give me a little step up. So that's why I'm doing it. All right, we'll get some tools. And so this is how I've been getting up. Put a ladder on the side because you can't lean against this sheet metal, is so thin. I got tools, a lot of tools in here. That's a 62-gallon fuel tank with a toolbox on top. And a fishing pole, begging to go out into the lake. All right, see I got a couple sockets. I got impacts, but I don't want to make too much noise this morning. It's still early. This is, okay, let's see. Morning. Well, these trucks are so cheap. Okay, I'm all refreshed. Had my coffee, visited with a neighbor that came by, Andy, ex-Navy guy. He was in Desert Storm. And then made some breakfast, bacon, eggs, hash browns on the deck, overlooking the water. Now I'm gonna pull this out. It's a little later in the morning here, so I don't mind using impact tools. I was trying to be quiet before. Okay. Well, put this up here. Filming it. Okay, I got this on here. They shied me a bolt, so I had to go get a bolt. Okay, so this bolt gets put in. That's a new one. It goes all the way through the frame. And then these two little ones here, I use the original bolt here because the other one with the washer, that washer was fixed on the bolt and it didn't move, so I could get this one in, but the other one for some reason I couldn't get in there, so I just put the original one, which still comes through. And in this one here, they forgot to give me this bolt. It wasn't in the kit, and I had no idea what the threads were, so I had to take and I went to an Ace Hardware and went outside. At first I thought it was a 5/16, but it's an 8x125 bolt. And this is how the step works. It accordions. Boy, it's really windy here. It accordions down and locks in place. And then when you're done, it stays up here. And I'll show you from the outside. It's really cool. I should have done this when I first got the truck. Okay, so there it is. Barely visible. So I just put my foot on it, push it down. And this is an Amazon purchase, but look at the pattern here on my original Dodge factory bumper, and then look at this pattern. It's the same pattern. And then I can get on, step up onto the truck, and then when you're done with it, you just give it a little push in, and it's gone. It works really good. So it's going to be easier on my knees. All right, okay. And that's it. Another beautiful sunny day here. A little windy, but I'll take that over rain any day. See ya. Another install done.
With Harley and Mona, RV broke.